Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sibwoga TV, which is your #1 online political channel. And today I want us to have a candid discussion about Edwin Sifuna, who is the Secretary General of ODM, because Edwin Sifuna has been of late very controversial in the ODM party, and it looks like Edwin Sifuna has been opposing the stand of Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga to work with His Excellency William Samoei Arap Ruto. And as this longest serving Secretary General from the time when Ababu Namwamba was removed as Secretary General, Edwin Sifuna has been seen as the rising star within the ODM fraternity, and more so from Western Kenya. And many people have been seeing Edwin Sifuna as a person, as a politician who has the potential of becoming the kingpin of Western Kenya. And most of the youths in this republic, they love so much Edwin Sifuna because it looks like Edwin Sifuna is always with the people of this republic. And this was actually seen during the time of the Gen Zs, when Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga actually donated some of the so-called experts from the ODM party to work with William Samoei Ruto so that they can make the government of William Samoei Ruto to be stable. And from that time, Edwin Sifuna has been taking opposite direction from the one Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. But the big question is, what is the political future of these young politicians who many people see as a promising future political leader? That is actually what I want us to have as a candid discussion. But before we dive in and try to dissect all that, I could request you kindly to take a minute or two and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give this video a like, share the video to your friends. And if your friends are lovers of politics, then it's good to request them for us to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And whenever you subscribe to our YouTube channel, it's good to smash the bell button, because by smashing the bell button, you give YouTube permission so that you can get notified whenever we upload any political content into YouTube. Now, let us go back to the discussion. And the discussion is about Edwin Sifuna political career, because Edwin Sifuna is thought to have been removed from his profession and brought to be the Secretary General of ODM, as Professor Anyang' Nyong'o narrated recently, because Anyang' Nyong'o is the one who brought Edwin Sifuna to ODM, because he is the person who saw the potential in Edwin Sifuna of becoming very helpful to the ODM as a party. But now it looks that Edwin Sifuna is actually facing opposite direction from the one his leader, Baba, is taking. Because from the time when the Gen Zs came to the streets, Edwin Sifuna never wanted ODM as a political party to be associated with Right Honorable, with the president, William Samoei Ruto. And Edwin Sifuna was actually supporting the Gen Zs so that William Samoei Ruto could have been removed from power. But Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, who is the leader of ODM, came forward and said, where is William Samoei Ruto going? He's not going anywhere. Where do you want to take this country? Do you want the country to go to the dogs? Do you want us to remove William Samoei Ruto and have Gachagua, who is our leader? And then Raila donated the so-called expert to go into the government of William Samoei Ruto to help him stabilize the government. And from that time, Edwin Sifuna told the nation that those who went to assist William Samoei Ruto, they never went as people who were donated by ODM. They actually went there as individuals. And ODM never participated, never wrote anything, never wrote any memorandum with Kenya Kwanza government to donate the so-called expert. But remember, who brokered that is Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. So Sifuna has all along from that time been opposing the agendas of Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. And many people have said that probably Sifuna is heading out of ODM. Because as far as ODM politics is concerned, people have always said that you cannot go against Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga and succeed in politics. And history has shown that. Remember, James Orengo at one time stood for presidency from Ruo Nyanza so that he can counter Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. But at that time, James Orengo was sent home by the people from the Ruo Nyanza. And it took a lot of time until Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga went and brought back James Orengo into politics. At the same time, Ababu Namwamba, who used to be the Secretary General of ODM, at one moment tried to go against Baba. But because he went against Baba, from that time, his political career went down. So many people are wondering, do Edwin Sifuna understands all that? That you cannot go against Baba and you survive? And actually even Junet Mohammed has come out. And for me, I knew when Junet Mohammed speaks, it is Raila who is speaking, because that is the left-hand man of Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. Because I remember Junet Mohammed, when he was in what? In is it Homa Bay? He came out and said that anybody who is within ODM and who feels that ODM is not serving him well, then he needs to get outside of the ODM. And if somebody feels that ODM is just there to defend the rights of human beings, the right of humanity, then that person is wrong. ODM is a political party which actually defends the rights of human beings, and at the same time, it is looking for power. And at that time, for me, I knew probably he was talking to the rebels within the ODM political party. So for me, I feel if Edwin Sifuna will continue doing what he's doing, going against Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, he is going to get himself in a mess. So if Edwin Sifuna is not planning to move from ODM to another political party, then ODM must toe the line. He must support. He must retract back and support Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga plans to work with His Excellency the President William Samoei Arap Ruto. But if he is planning to move from ODM to other political parties, then he can try his luck, because it is not automatic that you must always remain within the ODM as a political party for you to grow politically. For example, William Samoei Ruto rebelled from ODM during the time of the Pentagon, and he has survived, and he has become the president of this republic. If also Edwin Sifuna wants to try that luck, wants to champion a different political destiny, then he can actually move out of ODM. But for me, I feel that Edwin Sifuna is committing a political suicide. What is your say about Edwin Sifuna? Do you see Edwin Sifuna surviving in ODM if he continues to oppose Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga? Please, I could like you to drop your comment in the comment section below. And if this is your first time to come into this YouTube channel, I request you kindly to take a minute or two and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give this video a like, share the video to your friends. And if your friends are lovers of politics, then it's good to request them for us to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And for those ones who have subscribed to our YouTube channel, I say thank you. May God bless you all abundantly, because you always give us the inspiration to continue coming up with this kind of political analysis. And with that, I say thank you. May God bless you all abundantly until we meet in our next political discussion. Goodbye.